As preparation for differential calculus, one should be able to interpret the different operations. Check how well you know your functions here in differential calculus. Besides the four basic operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, functions also have an operation known as composition. This is a process of having an output from two functions evaluated as one. Composition is written as the function f of the function g of x, or this is also written as shown, where composition is notated as a small hollow circle. The procedure starts by evaluating g of x, then substitute it for all variables in f of x. To show how composition is deciphered, we place the first example, where the two functions are x squared plus 2x and 4x minus 3, tagged as f of x and g of x. We are to determine the quotient of the composition of f and g of x with g of x. By substituting known functions, we get x squared plus 2x all upon 4x minus 3. From this rational function, all x variables are to be substituted by g of x, which is known to be 4x minus 3. So now, the quotient turns into the square of 4x minus 3 plus twice of 4x less 3, then everything's divided by 4x minus 3. At this point, don't be too hasty to simplify the numerator. Observe that there is a binomial found in every term. So instead of expanding, it would be faster to simplify if we factor out the common term from the numerator, which is the binomial 4x minus 3. The function then transforms into the factored binomial of 4x less 3 with the remaining parts of the terms as 4x minus 3 with another positive 2. Then rewrite the denominator of 4x minus 3. After the extraction, we can then cancel 4x minus 3 from both the numerator and denominator, leaving 4x minus 3 plus 2. Simplify this to have the function of 4x minus 1. For another similar application, where f of x is taken as x squared plus 3x and g of x is 3x minus 4, we are still to determine the composition of f and g of x all over g of x. Again, plug the included functions, having x squared plus 3x all upon 3x minus 4. The x variables are to be expanded as 3x less 4, thereby turning the function into the square of 3x minus 4 plus thrice of 3x minus 4 all upon 3x less 4. Just like earlier, notice the common binomial on each term, so we extract out the binomial to be able to cancel the denominator. This leaves the remaining binomial of 3x minus 4 and positive 3. Collect the constants to simplify the function into 3x minus 1.